Yeah,
Okay.
I can see you,
Yeah, I can see you.
but I can't see you.
Why?
Yeah, okay. Now I can. Yeah, I can see you. Continue.
Okay.
So, how are you? How are you today?
I'm good today, and how about you?
I'm very well, thank you so much. Where are you from, actually?
I'm from Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur city.
Okay, so would you like to tell me something about you?
Uh, I am a working person. I'm working for Zomato.
Zomato. Oh, wow, great.
Yeah.
Like,
Are
you
you
did
are you
food
listening me
today?
properly? I have to say loudly.
I should say loudly.
No, no. I should say loudly, or it's a good.
No, it's okay. You are totally audible. Yeah,
Okay.
please go on. Yeah.
So I asked to my friend order is good today or not because yesterday we uh, didn't get sufficient orders, so that day was very bad. So today is
Okay.
also same. So I didn't get
Okay.
go outside for Zomato.
What kind of work do you do? Like, you deliver food door to door, or what kind?
Yeah, we delivered door to
Okay,
door.
that's.
Yeah.
And why did you choose this job? Like, there are many others. Like, it's
Because
great to
it's like
do whatever you want to do, but I'm just randomly asking. Don't take it.
no problem. It's actually it's a like a freelance job. When we want work, when then we go. If we don't want to work, then we don't go. So it's a
Okay.
very easy for us, and uh, it's earning also good for uh, better than another job.
Yeah,
No,
definitely, it's good. And the more best thing that I can say, that you can meet so many people around you, and
yeah,
it's a good experience you can have.
yeah. Lots of experience. Lots of many people are very good. Some are bad. So it's
Yeah, definitely. There are every kind of people. So, what are the challenges that you face during this your job? Is there anything, or you just enjoy your job?
it's an enjoying job, not bad like other, because it's our choice when I want to quit my job for a day, so I can close.
Are there any kind of challenges that you face during this job?
Sometimes we some things like this is summer day, so it's very hot for us. Sometimes we are very thirsty, and uh, we deliver to others every people to feeding them, but many times we also hungry. We didn't get any time to eat.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
can
like
understand. It's a
very
very challenging job, actually. Yeah. So,
yeah.
how do you deal with people who are not in good behavior? Like, sometimes people behaves really very bad when somebody delivers something with that delivery boy. So, how do you deal with them?
Uh, Actually, I'm not aggressive. I'm very polite. So many times I polite to with people because I don't want to fight with anyone. So
Hmm. There
I
is no point to
just
fight with them.
yeah. So the if anyone customer are very aggressive for me, so I have to only deliver them and say sorry or anything and go from there. So that's a good.
That's great. That's great.
I am watching a video before we were talking with you. Uh, some lady customer is making a video on social media, and her nose is hurting and bleeding.
Yeah,
She is
I saw this
yeah,
news yesterday. Actually, her nose was
yeah,
bleeding, and some
yeah,
Zomato delivery boy
right, yeah,
hit her, I
she,
think. Yeah. So,
yeah.
what's the matter about that?
I don't know. I just suddenly watched this video, and yesterday I heard about it. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know real what is real exact problem, but maybe she is I maybe aggressive. She may be aggressive and she got late orders, but don't know.
But this is
Sometimes,
not, a good reaction. If she was aggressive, then the delivery boy should be polite because it was his
yeah, yeah,
fault actually. So, but it's there is no point to hit someone. Like I saw
yeah.
the pictures also, her nose was bleeding and there was a fracture in his nose bone, I think.
If I was their place of delivery boy, I don't do that. But I don't know
Usually
why.
people don't do like
Yeah,
that. This is not a way to react for something.
yeah.
Some sick people are there who reacts like that.
But some people are like bad boys. Say,
Mm-hmm.
done.
Yeah, yeah.
I remember one of our friend. I don't know him. In same city, our Bilaspur, is very abusing in front of customer care executive. She was ladies. Okay,
Okay.
our customer that a man, but he no care about it. She's a lady and abusing a lot. I I can't hear and viraling on social media in WhatsApp. So bad something. Some people are like that.
So, do you have ever encountered such kind of people? How did you deal with them? Would you like to share? Yeah. Or any
Uh,
story where you,
I
got
I
stuck
have
with such
one
people?
I have one story. It's a very a small story.
Yeah, no
Uh,
issue. Share it.
Once time I got a order and it was summer day same last year.
Okay.
So when I get my house and I little bit rest and I got suddenly a order. So I was thinking restaurant is my near here, so I can take rest of 5 minutes because uh, order food will be get time for
Mhm. Yeah, it
cooking.
should be delivered on time. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I can take 5 minutes for rest and I get sleep for 5 minutes
Okay. You got
and
late. Okay.
yeah, it's a little bit 5 or 10 minutes late. Actually, not late. When I reach to restaurant, food is not ready, but customer is calling to me. Can you come early? So I didn't pick his call. So that's why he's texting me abusing words. But
Oh,
I don't want to care about. I pick that food and deliver to him. When I reach to him, he's talking with me politely, so no problem. It's a very rare case,
yeah, it
but I
happens.
have very nice experience when people are asking to me when it's
Water
all
and for, yeah,
yeah,
for some
water.
hospitality. Yeah, that's very
Yeah,
great.
uh, it one night it's about 11 p.m. One customer asked me, "Have you? Do you want to eat with me?" So
Okay.
I was,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, it's a very
Yeah.
nice. I was hungry, but I need to complete my targets, so I don't have time. But I am
Okay.
very happy. Someone is asking to me, can you
Yeah,
do
he must be very kind soul. Yeah,
it?"
there are only few people who behave like
Yeah,
that, and we need to be kind. But sometimes we encountered with such delivery boys. We can see so many cases around us, like when the
yeah,
delivery boys commit so many crimes. So we need to be careful. But yeah, definitely we need to be polite and we need to be kind as well because the delivery boys are also human beings. We need to be polite with them.
yeah. But
Yeah. So what about your
I have
SB?
very a lot of yeah.
Actually, your internet, I
Sorry,
think connection is not proper. I can't listen to you properly.
it's my side.
Yeah, I think it's from your side. No,
Okay, wait.
it's mine.
Now,
Your video is little bit blurry.
now good.
Can you see me? Can you see me properly?
Yeah, I can see.
Then your video is
Wait,
little
wait.
bit blurry.
wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. I have to take my chair. Mm. Now it's good.
Okay, fine. Yeah, go on, please. Yeah, it's fine.
You are saying something
Yeah, I was
before
asking about your education.
education. I am submitted a form for final exam, become final.
Okay. So what are
So
your dreams? What do you want to be?
uh, I want to build any business, but this time I don't know what I do
What kind of
because
business do you want to do?
kind of business. I didn't think about any business, but I'm searching about what kind of business should I do. So when I didn't get any idea about, then I am doing whatever job.
So you are done with your education or you want to pursue it?
It's a pursuit. It's a it's a last year final year,
Okay, okay, you're
become final
pursuing.
year.
Then you are doing just Zomato is just your part-time job, right?
Yeah, it's part time.
And
Actually,
what
I'm
about
doing
your family?
full time. Yeah.
What about your family? Are you living with your family or you are living by your own?
I'm living here with my friends. I mean, alone, you know, because my family is living in another city.
In another city. Okay. So
Yeah,
you are here for your education or just for your work?
it's just for my work
Okay.
because I love to travel,
Mm-hmm.
so I don't have
Everybody
sufficient.
loves travel.
Yeah, so that's why I work in another city. I maximum times I change my job for uh, 5 months or 6 months. I work any city, then I change city and works also. That is my plan to travel.
So how long would you like to stay with Zomato?
Uh, I don't know because I didn't get any another job like this, and actually I don't have any plan for another jobs. Uh, I'm doing well with this job, but
Yeah, you just
I
continue as long as you want. Yeah.
yeah, but it's not stable job. I can't take it job for long term. I have to change.
Yeah. Yeah, I can understand. And why do you want to learn English? Because your English is quite good. You are doing well. By practicing a little bit more, you can speak spontaneously and you can speak fluently. What is the need of learning English? Why do you want to learn spoken English?
Actually, English is my very favorite language, so
Okay.
that's why I love to talk English. Many people call me you are mad because no one
Were you
wants to
good at
talk.
English? Were you good at English in your school time?
Uh, Not good in marks, but I never get good marks in English. I don't know why, but people thought about me. Your English is good. You should get good marks. But I never been get good marks.
Okay, so do you practice English every day? Like, do you speak?
Yeah, I speak because I don't have like a partner talk to with them, but I alone talk with people. Sometimes I talk alone with. I only talk, but my friends not talking to me English. But I still to talk with them.
Doesn't matter. You just continue. You just pursue your dream. You can speak very well actually, and you can record
Yeah,
yourself. The best way, just choose any topic and just record yourself. Review your videos and find your own errors. That is the best way to improve
yeah, that's
yourself.
a good. Yeah, I'm trying some videos I made, but I don't want to upload because it's not like that. So okay,
It's okay. Just go for it. Don't wait for perfection. Nobody is
yeah,
perfect here. You just do whatever you want to do because we may not get time after it. So just pursue your dreams and do it. If you want to be a YouTuber, just go for it. Upload your
Yeah,
videos.
yeah. I'm also thinking about. I
Definitely.
want to. I I have dreamed to be tutor on Candy one day.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
very great. Very good. But for that you need to work very hard, you know?
yeah, yeah. I need.
Yeah,
Actually, I
definitely.
don't have friends like that.
Oh, don't
So
be sad. It's okay. You don't need anyone to practice English. You can practice alone. There are so many applications. You can join any. And Clappingo is, I think, the best option we can join. That is because the
yeah,
tutors are native Indians and they can understand us. They can make us understand things in very easy way. So it's very
yeah.
good to talk to them. You can join Clappingo if you want to hide.
I'm thinking about, but this time our business is not good. This time, so I don't have money for paid.
Just because of Corona. What is the
Yeah,
situation of
may-
Corona in your city?
Corona is everybody forget what is Corona.
Okay. Okay. But still we should not forget because still it's it's like coming back, I think. Oh, today the
Actually,
case.
Corona is not directly affected on it, but uh, business and works are affected by Corona. So that's
Everything
why
is
people
affected
don't.
by Corona,
Yeah,
you know, business and jobs and families, everything is affected by Corona. We have, you know, our 1 year has gone just wasted just because of this Corona. We have been sitting homes so long. So it's just now it has become like tedious. We are just completely fed up of this Corona. Nobody wants to talk about Corona actually.
yeah. Actually, I my mind is like business minded. So many times I observing things how works and how it's happening. So I saw many uh, uh, restaurants and hotels are empty, not before like that. Many business are not running before like that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
And we we visited all over our city. Many richest colonies of peoples are not ordering like that before. So
People
we
are
can
afraid.
understand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they are a little bit
yeah,
afraid. So how did you
yeah.
survive when, and yeah, you know, there was lockdown completely? Then how did you survive? Because you had no job and no work. So how did you survive?
I go back to my home, so
You
no
went back
problem.
to, okay, you went
Yeah,
back home. Okay.
yeah.
Then what did you do
Yeah.
there?
Nothing doing, only taking rest, sleeping,
Uh,
and watching Ramayana and Mahabharata.
okay, that was the best time to improve yourself. No?
Yeah,
Yeah, actually, yeah, I also improved a lot during this Corona. So that was the time where we could learn something new.
yeah.
How did you
It's
utilize
my
your time?
my maximum times watching two things are English, or second thing is business prospect, like any idea about searching how to make money like that.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So, do you have any other questions?
No, I don't have any concern, but I'm relaxing to talk with you. It's very comfortable with you.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah.
Great.
Uh, when I uh, uh, propose to talk with you, then I'm thinking about can I talk with her very well, or well, it's little bit fear
Why
on
not?
my heart.
No, why
But
not? I'm
today,
also a normal human being as like you.
no, because it's a long time I didn't attention on English. That's why I'm fearing about.
No, you are still you are quite good at English, okay? So just don't worry about it. You just need to polish your fluency. Just keep working on it, and you can do it definitely. Don't worry.
Yeah, actually, if you write any words or sentence in English, you have many times to uh, put their right words in right place. But when you speak in person, you don't have time to uh, say it. So
Yeah,
it's a
definitely
little
it
bit
happens.
problem.
It happens.
Yeah,
So for removing that kind of problem, you can start writing something. Write one page every day. It will help
yeah.
you a lot. Yeah, it will help you a lot.
Otherwise, I think if I read any book very loudly, then it will
Reading,
improve.
yeah, reading can
Yeah,
help you, but writing also help us a lot. If you want to improve that kind of like you struggle for words when you start speaking, so just start writing. It will help you a lot.
actually,
At least one page every day.
I, habitually I do this writing, but I can't. I never done like that speaking. So that's my problem.
No worries, you can start.
Yeah.
So, shall we end the call? Have anything to ask me?
I want to ask you. You are working now, means when you go to school to teach them.
Yeah, I'm
But
working. You know that I'm a teacher. I'm working as a teacher here. So our school starts at
yeah.
8:30 and it ends at 1:30 nowadays because of Corona. So we have just 3 hours, 4 hours nowadays.
Okay. And another day means normal day you work for full day.
Just a normal normal schooling time. It's 7:30 to
Yeah,
2 o'clock. Yeah, that's
two
7:30 to 2.
o'clock. Okay, that's good.
Anything
Uh,
else?
do, do you want to ever be to be a tutor on Cambly?
I haven't think about that, but yeah, definitely. I think I want to be a tutor like in my country, not on Cambly, but I would like to be a tutor on like Clapping Over and other app that is running in within our country, actually, not out of the country, because I may not be able to achieve that kind of accent. That's
You can see like that dream because
definitely we
it
can.
will
There is
be
nothing
very great
impossible.
experience. Yeah,
Yeah, it's not impossible. I can definitely, but it will take a lot of time and a lot of
yeah,
practice.
yeah.
So first
Lots
of
of
all, my
practice, but
priority, I always want to, have some online business. So I will definitely run some classes for spoken classes, and if I will get chance, then I would definitely become a tutor on apps like Cambly and sorry, Clappingo and any other app that are running within our country, not out of the country.
but I'm thinking about Cambly. If I be their tutor, it will be a great experience with what because
Definitely,
we
it's
can connect with whole world.
a great
Yeah,
experience. But I think the Cambly hires only the native speakers.
yeah.
What I've seen.
We can learn. We can earn a lot from there.
We can earn. There is another app that is Ingu. Yeah, Ingu. I think they hire non-native speakers as well. So you can try them. That
Okay,
Ingu hires non-native speakers.
for tutor,
Yeah.
that's good. Uh, say something. I don't. I don't have anything.
Yeah.
But
Now
I
it's
want to talk with you.
yeah.
It's
Now it's almost
really enjoying with you.
23 minutes. If you have any question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, I think we shall end the call.
Yeah. Actually, nothing coming on my mind, but I really want to talk with you because I'm very
It's okay.
comfortable
Yeah.
with you.
We
Yeah,
can talk another day.
yeah. I'm enjoying a lot talk with you
Thank you so much. Thank you.
because I'm very relaxed. I never relaxed like that before because I always fear to talk with
Oh
like
my
that.
God. Okay.
I, sometimes I try to talk with customer care in English.
Mhm. That is the best way to improve yourself.
Yeah,
Definitely,
yeah,
they are not going to judge you.
yeah. But their English is very good enough to us. There, so sometimes my heart rate is making.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, then shall we end the call now?
Okay.
Okay, then I wish you a best of luck for your future. May God
Okay.
bless you. Okay, then bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.